Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of SafePal SFP token, and I will tell you my next long duration targets, my next medium duration targets, and my next immediate short term targets for the SafePal. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel if you are a new user, and please join my Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. And if you want to join Binance Exchange, then please go to this video description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange and the link of the Bybit Exchange. Just click on these links and create your account within 30 seconds. Let's focus to the content. Here you can see this is the SafePal page of CoinGecko, and it is currently trading at $2.70, and it increased 3.2% in just 24 hours. This is a token, and this is the website of this safepal.io. It is the website, and this is the total market cap. This is the 24-hour trading volume. This is the circulating supply of this token, and this is the maximum supply of this token. And here you can see some statistics of the SafePal price and market statistics. Here you can see SafePal all-time high was $4.19, and its all-time low is $1.28. And its current rank is 117, and its 700 days low and 7 days high is 1.3 and 3.46. Here you can see this is the 24-hour high and low prices, and total market cap, or you can say the volume, 0.4913, and trading volume of the SafePal is that, and total market cap dominance is 0.02. And here you can see, if you want to trade SafePal, then you have to trade it on Binance, and if you want to trade on Binance, then just go to in this video's description where you can get the link of this token SafePal. This is friends, this token gives 3.2% in just 24 hours, and this token gives, I think, 200% gain within 4 days. This token is launched at February 8, and this is very good token. I will tell you that's why I am saying this, and I will tell you my long duration target of this. Here you can see. Let me please open the site of the SafePal. Here you can see. This is the website of the SafePal, and actually SafePal is a crypto hardware wallet, and it produces hardware wallets like this, SafePal One, SafePal Cypher, and some other hardware wallets and Leathercase too. And in the SafePal app, you can store 10,000 plus cryptos. Here you can see. This is the app of the SafePal, where you can store 10,000 plus cryptocurrencies in one app. Here you can see. Store, buy, manage, swap, and trade 10,000 plus cryptocurrencies in one app. This you can download this app, and these are the partners of the SafePal. I am showing this because I think this token will give you maximum gain in coming days. That is why I am very much certain. And let me please show the chart of this. Here you can see. Lowest price zone is $1.2 and highest price zone is $4.48. What is the immediate short-term target? Let me please tell you. Here you can see SafePal rejected from that point, which is at $4.50 price level, and here you can see price. It is currently trading at $2.70 level. And this is the trend line. It is respecting that trend line. Once SafePal broke this trend line towards upside, and then this will be the moment where SafePal definitely join the party and will give you maximum gain. I am waiting for this, and let me please tell you my first target, immediate short-term target for the SafePal right now. Please friends, share this video and like this video too with all your friends, and please share this video to all of your friends, and please like this video. Let me please tell you my immediate short-term target of the SafePal right now. Sorry for that. Once SafePal broke this downtrend line, which is at $2.71 level, then definitely it will it will going to hit 5.19. This is the immediate short-term target for me right now. 5.20 you can say is my next target for the SafePal. It is the immediate short-term target currently right now for me. Let me please tell you my long duration targets of SafePal. Friend, let me please tell you, friend, this token is launched only 4 days and it is launched at February 8th, and this token is just 4 days old. This is a huge potential token and will give you maximum gain if you want to buy or if you want to hold it. Let me please tell you my long duration and medium duration targets for the SafePal right now. For this I have to take this tool. Let me please show you the next targets, medium duration targets, long duration and very long duration target. Targets of 6 months, target of 3 months, target of 1 year and target of 1.5 years of the safe tokens right now. I'm going to tell you right now. I think this is the safe zone and it is in the golden pocket. SafePal is currently in the golden pocket of retracement, and I think it is very safe if you buy or hold as SafePal from that level. Friends, cryptocurrency is very risky. If you want to hold or if you want to buy a safe token, then invest or buy or trade at your own risk. This is not a financial or investment advice. This is just my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. I will be not responsible for any of your losses. Do your own research before buying this token. Let me please tell you my technical analysis target. I think this is the safe zone to buy, very safe zone to buy safe token right now. If you buy this from that level and put your stop loss, let me please tell you. This is the time you have to buy. This is very safe time, I think. Sorry for that. I think you have to put your stop loss if you buy from that level. Then please let me tell you. I think you have to put your stop loss from that point, which is $1.96 level, and you have to buy it $2.70 at current running price. Then our first target will be this zone, which will give you 21% gain, and the target is 3.26. After that, definitely it have to hit this level very soon, and will give you 65%, and your risk will be just 27%, and your risk will be 65%. If you buy a SafePal at $2.7 level, and if you put your stop loss at 1.95 or 1.96 price, then your risk will be just 27%, and your first reward will be 65%. Let me please tell you my target of 3 months target. I think I am very sure that SafePal definitely give you maximum profit. Let me please tell you. This is the target of 3 months. I think SafePal must have to hit $13 level within 3 months. I think this is very realistic target. I think so, and it will give you 384%, and your risk is just 27%, and your reward is 385. Very good risk and reward ratio if you buy SFP SafePal from that point. This is the target of 3 months. Let me please tell you the target of 6 months. Let me please tell you. I think SafePal have to hit $24 to $25 level within 6 months. This is my target for the 6 month, because this is very safe token and very good token, and this token has huge potential. That is why I am saying this. And $24 or $25 is my next target, next 6 month target, and it will give you 800% gain, and your risk will be just 27% if you buy at the current price, current running price, and put your stop loss at $1.96 level. Let me please tell you my long duration target of 1 year. I think definitely it have to hit $50 price level within 1 year. I am very sure that definitely it have to hit this. Definitely I think it have to hit $50 price, and will give you 1800% gain, and your risk will be just 27%. This is the target of 1 year, and I think within 1 year or 1.5 year it will definitely going to hit $60 to $75 price level. This is my very long duration target for the SafePal right now. This is the target, $75. This target will give you 2700% gain, and your risk will be just 27%. This is the target of 1.5 year, or maybe you can say 2 years. 2 years price target. These are the targets currently right now for me. I think this is very safe time. This is very good time to buy a SafePal from that point at current running price, which is currently at, here you can see, $2.7 level, and you have to put your stop loss $1.96 level. Then you have to hold this for 6 months, for 1 year, or maybe 1.5 or 2 years. This token will give you maximum gain. And if you want SafePal, if you want to buy or trade SafePal, then please go to in this video's description, where you can get the link of this Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And please friends, share this video to all of your friends. Take care friends.